online order.
Good evening, ma'am. Good
Good
evening, ma'am.
evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. Good
Yes,
evening,
good
ma'am.
evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yeah. How are you all?
Fine.
All are
Fine.
fine?
Yes.
All are keeping well?
Yes.
Okay. Let me see all the faces. Okay. So, I think all have done the last week's work. All have studied well. Did you all do? Did you all read the book? Kailas Nath? Kailas Nath, did you read the book? Textbook? Kailas, can you use the headset? Or can you hear me properly?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Adidev,
Yes, ma'am.
sit properly. Arav. Ah, very good. You changed your name. Very good. Arav, did you read the textbook last class, what I have taken? Arav,
Yes.
you read the textbook, the chapter maps. No. And Pavija, did you read the book?
No.
Why? Why you did not read the book?
I don't have textbook.
You don't have textbook?
Yes, I read only for
Who? Ahian, sit properly. Ahian, sit properly. Joseph,
textbook.
okay, Vihan. Clement, did you read the textbook, Clement?
Ma'am.
Chapter 3, maps. Okay, now come back. I'm going to ask, all have to mute yourself. When I ask the question, you will unmute. Aryan.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Amen will answer me. Amen, can you hear me? Okay. You can hear me, no?
Yes.
Okay, Amen. Tell me, what did you understand? What is a map? About map, what did you understand? Can you tell me in your own words, what is a map?
Ma'am. Drawing of the place.
Place where? Where do we draw the place? Where we draw? Just tell me what you understood. Where do we draw the? Where do we draw? On the board?
Map. Flat.
Only
Surface.
surface. Okay. Vihan, please mute yourself. Yeah, on a flat surface. From where do we look at to draw that face? Iman. Where do we stand? Huh? Where do we stand and look at the place and draw on a map?
Above the place.
Yeah, above places. So we draw a picture, a map. Okay, let me ask Kailas Nath. Kailas, tell me, what is a map? What did you understand? What is a map? In your own words, you can say. I explained nicely to you last class. Come on, Kailas. Say loudly. I can't hear you. What is the sound? Some sound is coming. I can't hear you. Arav, tell me, what is a map? Arav? What is a map, Arav? Huh? Arav, say it loudly. Or Aditya, can you tell me, Aditya? Can you tell me what is a map?
Above say.
Aditya, unmute and tell me the answer. Unmute. Unmute and tell me. What is a map, dear?
Teacher.
Huh?
Teacher.
What is a map? Yeah, you're having a beautiful smile. You tell me the answer now. What is a map?
Greenland. A map is say.
Who? Adidev is telling me or Aditya is telling me?
Drawing. Face.
Who is saying that? Who is saying that answer? Okay, Juan. Juan, tell me the answer. Juan. Unmute and tell me the answer. Yeah, unmute and tell me the answer. Juan, tell me, come on.
Teacher drawing. Drawing of a piece on a surface as seen above the place.
Very good. At least he could say the proper sentences. Very good, very good. And Vihan, tell me what is a map?
A map is a drawing on a flat surface as seen from above.
Very good. That's it. That's the only thing. It's a drawing about a place from a place above. Is it clear? Is it clear? Paurnami? Paurnami, can you tell me what is a symbol? Symbala. It's not symbala. I said, can you just tell me the answer? What is a symbol? Do you all remember that I explained what is a symbol? Do you all remember? Huh? Okay, I will just write. Now listen to me carefully. What is a symbol? Minute, 1 minute.
Ma'am, I don't see the code.
Yeah, I'll show you now. Wait a minute. Can you see now?
No.
No.
No. No. No, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see the. No.
You cannot see now?
I cannot see the board. Ma'am, I cannot see.
You cannot see now.
No. 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 Ma'am, I cannot see the board. I cannot see the board.
Now?
No. No. Oh, ma'am.
One minute, I'll show you. Wait a minute. Now can you see? Can you see the board?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to teach you what is a symbol.
Right. Right.
First, try to understand, then First you have to understand, then only you have to write in your book.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
What is this?
Symbol.
Can you read?
Symbol.
Symbol or symbols. What is a symbol? We're going to learn today what is a
Symbol.
symbol or symbols, what we call as a symbol. The signs,
The signs. The signs. The signs.
the signs
The
used on a map.
Used on the map.
Used on a
Ma'am, right?
map. It is there in your textbook. We are going to learn now. Are
Used
called
on
symbols. What is symbol? The signs used on a map are called symbols. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you the next question. What is a compass?
Ma'am,
What is a compass?
compass is an instrument
Ah,
that we use
ah.
to show the four directions.
Very good. Who said that answer?
Vihan.
Very good, Vikhan. So you are reading the book. I'm so happy. I want all the others to answer like this. What is a compass? A compass.
Compass is an instrument
Yeah.
that is
Vikhan is
used
telling very nicely.
to
Compass
show
is
the four
an instrument It's an instrument used to show the
four directions.
to show the four directions.
Directions. Four directions. Directions.
Four directions. So which are the four directions? The compass is like this.
North,
North,
south,
south,
east,
east, and
west.
east and
West.
west.
North,
North, south, east, and west. These are the four directions we use to understand a map. Okay? Now, please take page number 20 of your textbook. Amen. Amen. What's happening to you?
Okay.
Please take page number 20 of your textbook. What is seen there?
Map.
Yeah.
Of India.
Map of
India.
India. Where do we stay?
In Kerala.
Kerala. Did you find out where the Kerala is?
India.
Yeah, in India we stay in the state called Kerala. Did you see where the Kerala is? So we learned on a map we see names, pictures, colors, signs and symbols. Here you see in that box 4 things are written there. What are they? International boundary. What do you mean by boundary? What do you mean by boundary? Vihan, can you tell me what do you mean by boundary? It's a border line. So international border of a country. So in order to tell us this is the border, they have used like this. Have you seen? Did you see that? This is international border. Now, to separate one state from the other state, they have used dots. Did you see that?
Yes.
They have used dots. And to show us the capital city of India, what they have used a red box. Did you see there? And what is written there in this symbol? The capital of India. Where is it? Delhi. Did you see? Huh? Did you see where this mark is placed on the map? Then I'm asking you all. Did you see this red color? Huh? Did you see this? Where is it? It is placed here.
New Delhi.
New Delhi. And you will see black dots. Have you seen the black dots?
Yes.
What it marks? State capital. See, where is Kerala's capital is marked? Did you see where is Kerala state?
Yes.
And where is the capital is marked? The black mark. Huh? Where is the black mark is marked? Tell me. Huh? There is a black mark like this, and the place name is written there. Did you see?
Delhi.
Kerala states. Huh?
No.
Huh?
Thiruvananthapuram.
Say Thiruvananthapuram. Call it Trivandrum, but now it is Thiruvananthapuram. Capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Capital of India is capital of India. New Delhi. Capital of Kerala.
Thiruvananthapuram.
Say Puram. So all these are marked in the map. Did you see?
Thiruvananthapuram. Yes.
Did you see? It is marked in the map. Okay. Now, let me ask you, what is a landmark? We learned in the last class. What is a landmark? Anyone tell me what is a landmark? Huh?
Kerala.
Landmark. I'm asking you about landmark. A landmark. Repeat after me. A landmark. Is the building. Building or object. Or object. It is not subject.
Or object. Landmark or object is a landmark is object.
That is easy to locate. Easy to locate from a distance. Huh? You're saying Kerala, Kerala. I'm teaching you what is landmark. A landmark is a building
A landmark is a building or object that is easy
to locate from a distance. When we ask for a landmark, I said some will say there is a church. They will tell us the name of the church or a mosque. If we ask how to reach Kodungalur from Parur, they'll say you will reach first Cheraman Juma Masjid. After that, you have to travel this much kilometers. So we are sure after the Cheraman Masjid, the Kodungalur is close by. Here now, what is a landmark?
A landmark is a building or object that is easy to locate from a distance.
Locate from a distance.
Easy to locate
So that helps people know where they are. Okay. So the landmark will tell us where we are. Now, please take page number 21. Page number 21. Yeah, textbook, page number 21. There you see a picture. Did you see?
Yes.
You see some buildings, and we have 3 friends with us. Who are they? Rashi.
Page number
21. Morad and Meher. Isn't it?
Page number.
I'm telling you page number 21 of the textbook. Did you see? Did you see? So page number 21. Now Rashi and Meher, they wanted to go to park from the library. Did you see the library? Shop?
Yes.
I'm sorry, it's not library, bookshop. Did you see the bookshop?
Yes.
And there you see the compass is there. Did you see the compass? Huh? Did you see the compass there?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. Now, with the help of this compass, we have to travel from bookshop to the park. Which way they have to use? Which direction they have to use? Huh? See, there is a direction given with the compass. So their bookshop is here. So here is the bookshop. And they have to reach the park. It is here. Park is here somewhere. Which direction they have to use?
East.
Very good. Who said that? The direction. The compass they have shown us east. So the park is on the east side of the bookshop. Is it clear?
Yes.
So they have to use the east direction to reach the park. Now again, please take page number 22 of your textbook.
Yes.
Okay. There you see 3 columns with lot of buildings. Did you see that? 3 columns. Did you see? Did you see? 3 columns are there. Here there are many. I'll show you there are 3 columns. Now, 3 columns, and they have given names A, B, C. Did you see that?
Yes. Yes.
A, B, C. And downward, they have given each column as A1, A2, A3. Now, B1, 2, B3. B3. And C1, C2, C3. There are some questions. In which part is the building with the blue windows located? Just see the blue window. Can you see in which column the blue windows building is located? 3? No. I'm asking you the building with blue windows. Check, look at your book and tell me, look at your textbook and tell me in which column the blue color window building. Huh? There are, see the 3 columns, A1, B1, C1. Very good. C1. C1, very good. It is C1. Now, what color is the building in A1? What is the color of the building in A1? What is the color of the building in A1? White. The color of the building is? White. And where is the sign with the direction placed on the map? Now you are able to use a map and find out how a map can be used. Okay? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if someone asks, what does the letter N stands for? On a compass, what does the letter N stands for? Yeah, it is north. Can you see every town on a map of India?
Yes.
Every town. What did we see on the map? Did you see every town or did you see the states?
Yes.
What did you see?
Only state.
Yeah, we could see only the states in the map of India. Now, see, in a bigger, we use bigger maps and smaller maps. Okay. Now, as we look at our book, the Indian map is shown as very small. Isn't it? Yeah, it is a small map. So when we convert a bigger map to a smaller map, the kilometer. Now, for example, from our school to travel to.
Am I not in the boat?
Huh?
Am I not in the boat?
Everyone can see the board. That is your problem. You adjust with your video.
I cannot see the board.
You cannot see the board, huh?
I can see the board.
Everyone can see. Now, listen to me. Now, from your place, in a bigger map, see now, for example, now you are traveling back from Mala to Kodungalur. And Mala to Kodungalur, approximately we say we have 10 kilometers. Okay, from Mala to Kodungalur, we approximately say, okay, this kilometers. Can we draw this 10 kilometers on a small map?
No.
No, there we will just see for 10 kilometers, they will write 10
centimeters.
If it is 1 kilometer is there on a map, they will write
1 centimeter.
That is the scale of the map. Okay, so they will convert like this 10 kilometer into 10 centimeter on a smaller map. Can we draw the 10 kilometers on a smaller map?
No.
So this is called the scale of the map. Scale of the map is the distance from the bookshop to the park. Now, we saw Meher and Rashi was traveling from bookshop to park. It is 10 kilometers. Okay. Maybe from the bookshop to park is 1 kilometer. We cannot mark this 1 kilometer on a map. So how do we draw in the map? We will minimize. We will bring smaller measurement on a scale and we say, on a map, we will draw 1 centimeter. Maybe from Meher school. From Meher school to, maybe from the house to the school, they have 10 kilometers and they will use in the map as 10 centimeter. If you have a distance of 20 kilometers from your house to reach school, on a map, it will be marked as
20 centimeters.
Okay, is it clear? This is called the scale of the map. Okay, scale of the map. So, and some more examples I'll show you to make us understand. They use symbols. We learned what is a symbol. Now, for example, there is a hospital on the way. What is the symbol they use for hospital?
H.
They will use
H. They will use
a box.
And
the color of this box will be?
white.
No. Hospital color will be?
Red. Red.
Blue.
Blue.
Okay. The color of this box will be what?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, now there is danger. Okay, there is a sign of danger. What they will show the symbol? On a triangle. No. Something called like this. Have you seen? It will be marked in red. This will be marked in
Red.
And if there is that we have to stop somewhere in our vehicle, what will be written there? No parking. Maybe no parking. What is the symbol that they use? No parking. No, they won't use a car. They will put a P and they will cross it. Have you seen all this?
Yes.
If there is a school, there will be a symbol. What is the symbol that they use for school?
2 kids.
On a triangle.
2 kids standing.
Yeah, there will be 2
kids standing.
kids. Okay, this kind of symbols also, they used to direct us properly to reach our destination. Is this much clear to you?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
we learned about map and we learned what is a map. We look at a place from above to make a map. Is it clear? In a simple way to say, we look at a place. We look at a place from above. We look at a place from above and we get the map of that place. Map shows the top view of a place. Do the map shows the down view of the place?
No.
Yeah, map will always show us the
Top view, up view.
Yeah, top or the upper view of the
Place.
Place. Okay, and maps help us to locate our position. Yeah, maps
help us locate our destination.
Help us to
locate our destination.
Yeah, or help us to
find the way.
Or help people where they are, or locate our position. Locate our position. Is this much is clear to you, my children? Is there any doubt regarding map or symbol or compass or anything? If you have any doubt, please ask me. Vikhan, Ashwath, do you have any doubts regarding this class? Jo Maria, did you all understand?
Yes.
The map, what is a compass,
Yes.
how the compass is used?
Compass is used to show the 4 directions.
Yeah, we use the compass to see the 4 directions, and we will see Google Map, picture map, everything, and they use symbols, colors, pictures, names on a map. Is it clear till now? And on a map, the distance we cannot write as it is. They will convert the longer distance into smaller distance. That is, they will use the scale. And if it is for the 10 kilometer, they will use as
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. If it is a 1 kilometer, they will use as
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. Is this much clear to you, my dear children?
Yes.
You all learn nicely.
Yes.
Please do read the textbook. Ayman, I think I forgot to send you the textbook pages. Yes, remind me. You have?
Ma'am, I don't have textbook.
Someone send you the textbook pages for you?
Ma'am,
Ayman, do you have the textbook?
read.
Who sent you the picture? Okay. No, that is the Google, isn't it? Or YouTube. Ayman, I'll send you the textbook pages for you, okay?
Ma'am, I don't have textbook.
Who doesn't have textbook? Who doesn't have textbook? Huh?
Ma'am, I have textbook.
No, I'm asking you, who doesn't have the textbook?
Ma'am,
Who is not having the textbook? Vikhan, you didn't buy the textbook, my dear? My God. See, please send me a personal message in WhatsApp. I will send you the pages of the textbook so you can read it. Those who doesn't have books, please send me a personal WhatsApp message. Otherwise, I will forget. You just remind me to send the pages and ask your parents to get the textbook fast. Vikhan, are you in Kerala?
no.
Okay.
I
So
know
it is.
Kerala,
Yeah, Ayman also not in Kerala. So for both of you, I'll send you in the WhatsApp itself so you can read. Okay? Send me a WhatsApp message to remind me. Okay? Others, please read your textbook today itself. And next class, you will bring your workbook. Okay? You will bring your workbook for the next class. I'll remind you, I'll send a message. Bring your workbook, we will do your workbook problems. We will learn the answers and all. Okay, children? Thank you so much. Have a good evening. Have a good tea. Smile, please. All are looking very sad. Not interested in my class? You're not interested in my class?
We are interested.
You're interested?
Yes.
Simply saying, if you're interested, you will smile at me at least. All are looking like pumpkin faces.
Yes.
Yeah, now all have the beautiful smile. I want to see everyone smiling very nicely. Vishnu, can you just smile at me? Give me a smile. Joseph, Joanne, Jo Maria. Let me see. Aditya, I'm asking to smile. Aditya is looking somewhere. Clement, smile. Aryan.
Yes.
When you all smile, no, Aswath, sit properly. When you smile, you look so beautiful. When you keep your face, don't look nice. Okay, thank you, children. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, love you all. Okay.